Hi everyone! Today we're going to be planting flowers in celebration of Earth Day. So today we'll be using some seeds, water, gloves, nice planting pot, a shovel scooper, and some soil. So I have my gloves on and I am going to start scooping the soil into my pot. You just want to get about halfway high. You don't want too high. And just kind of push the dirt down. Now I'm going to add some seeds, some flowers. Ooh, that's a lot. It's okay. Then I'm going to add some more soil into that. Compact it in. I'm just going to go right above the rim. Kind of have a little line here in my pot, so I'm just going to put the soil up there. About there. Get some water. And water my plants. And that's it. And then I'm going to have to watch them grow. I'm going to put them in the sun. And I will come back next time and show you what pops out. So I put my pot in the sun. Now the flowers get to have some sunshine and I'll be watering them daily. I found some more pots to start planting more flowers. See you next time.